Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, Trenny has asked her assistant to prepare estimates of cost of two different sized power plants. The assistant reports that the cost of the 100 milliwatts power is $200 million, while the cost of the 200 milliwatts power plant is $360 million. If Trenny has a budget of only $300 million, estimate how large a power plant she could afford using a linear interpolation. Okay, now let's see how to do that. First of all, here we have 200 million, 360 million and 300 million, 100 watt, 200 megawatts, and we have to find out how many megawatts is going to be for 300 million. Now we are going to use a linear interpolation. Now let's put the details together. 100 megawatts when we have 200 cost $200 million and then 200 megawatts cost $360 million. Now we want to find out how much megawatts it's going to cost $300 million. Now to find this one, we are going to use the linear interpolation. So linear interpolation is basically we subtract this one. This is what we are trying to find. Subtract this one with the first one. We have to do the same thing in the other side. Subtract 300 million. Subtract 200 million from 300 million. 200 million from 300 million. And then we have to do 200 minus 100 in the denominator. 200 minus 100, and here we have to do the same thing. This one minus this. 360 million minus 200 million. Okay, now we have to find out what is the megawatts for 300 million, and if you calculate, you will get 162.5 megawatts, and that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.